Hunter got a big fish on again. Gave him a brand new fishing rod from New Brunswick when I was down there striper bass fishing and geared it up for him. The big one? Way to go, my man. There's another one. Look at that. He takes the fish off and everything all by himself. What are you supposed to do? Hunter's biting one. You got a good one, Hunter? Well, it's a decent walleye. Nothing wrong with that, my man. Show him over here on the camera. Beautiful fish, my man. Way to go. You guys are out fishing Papa. Right on. What do you think? Pretty good, yeah. Pretty good. He baits his own hook, takes his fish off. Got it all figured out. Don't do it like that, buddy. There you go. Rod tip up. The man got another one. You think that's a bigger, do you?
I think so.
Yeah. That seems like it's a tank. Oh yeah, that's a gooder, my man. What did you catch? A giant pike. You said you wanted one. There you go, buddy. That's a tank. Here, hold this and Papa will get it for you. There you go. Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
That's Hunter's fish. Karen strikes again, or Hunter. I keep calling him. Big old gold eye. Bring him around the other way, now you're in my line.
Just bring him towards me.
There goes Greedy Guts again with another fish, catching them all. Me and Hunter can't catch nothing. Another walleye. You stole one of your minnows. It's a good day so far. Another fish on. Rhonda got one this time. Nice walleye. Nice hook set. You don't have to use a pliers or not. A big fish. I think you got a sturgeon.
It's a big pike.
Big pike. Big pike.
Where is he?
Giant pike. Holy fuck, is that ever a big pike? Look at the mark. Oh, nice. That's your biggest ever. Oh yeah, that's your biggest pike ever. Look at that. Look at all the marks on them from fighting.
Yeah. There's a lot.
You got to get a picture of that.
It's huge.
Tank, absolute tank.
He was a banker down in Georgia, wore a tie every day, but the city of life got heavy, and the music led the way. Packed up his old guitar, left the high rise behind.